Hey guys, what's good, what's popping? So today I'm going to be coming up to you with a perfect beginner friendly eyeliner, Wingliner. If you're interested, you want to see how I achieve this perfect Wingliner for beginners. You don't know what to do, just stick around and enjoy, and make sure you grab a cup of tea so you can learn. Okay. So guys, as you can see, I have my lashes on because I didn't want to come out here bare, no lashes, no eyeshadow popping, dropping like it's up, you know what I mean? So I decided just to pop on my lashes to look a little bit bougie. Anyways, let me go ahead and gently rip this off. Okay, I have this black lacquer by L'Oreal. This is a very beautiful eyeliner. Okay, please focus, thank you. So you can use this, which is a liquid eyeliner. Sensitive eye like more like Selin, I will advise you to use gel liner. Always use, you guys know it is my favorite. Your eyes are super sensitive. Now I'm going to show you the brushes that you're going to be needing. It's not every brush that you can use to apply your liner. If when it's written eyeliner brush, trust me, when your eye is sensitive, I would prefer to use this one. This one is by Elf. This one right here is a synthetic. I have to use this one, this smaller one right here, as you can see. I also love to use this. This one, I'm not recommending this to you because it's not going to give you that smooth, sharp eyeliner. I use this kind of brush when I want to blow down under my eye with some color. So let's just go straight ahead and start to do our liner. I hope it's helpful. As you can see, like I said, I'm going to be using this one, and I'm going to be taking this Elf brush. Okay, when you're doing your liner, when you do your eyeliner, some people start from the inner corner. Depends on the way you are good with your technique when it comes to makeup. Choose your technique, baby girl. All right, but I love to use sometimes if I start from my inner corner, reason being maybe my eye is bringing water, so I just quickly apply a little bit on my inner corner, and it's going to suck the tears or the water away, if that makes sense. So normally I always start from my outer corner, which is right here. I make a stroke first. I make a stroke right here, and then I had to bring it to my inner corner. There are different type of liner. Okay, wing liner, you can have a larger one, you can have a tiny one, depends on the look you're going for, depends on your eyeshadow. If you want an eyeshadow to pop, you gotta do tiny liner. Want your eyeshadow to pop that much, you have to do a large one. So I'm going to do a medium one. I'm not going to be going too crazy because my lashes is already popping. How we do. Anyway, I'm just going to dip in my brush, and make sure you have a wiper if you really want to have that neat wing liner. Just start making the stroke just like so, as you can see. So if you want a larger wing liner, after you make a stroke like so, all you gotta do, just kind of make another stroke if you want a large. But if you want a medium or very tiny one, you just have to start like so. I'm going to be making a medium one. I'm going to start like so. And when you are doing your wing liner, be sure to relax your eye a little bit. You can, as a beginner, if you want, you can always use your left hand to pull it back, but I don't think that is really advisable. It's not really recommendable. Inner corner, this is how you do it. You kind of look upward. You look upward. Make sure you get to your inner corner, just like so. If you want to enhance, you want to enlarge it a little bit, because we are going for a medium wing liner. I'm going to dip my brush once again. I'm not going to go in my inner corner once again. I'm just going to go in right above my outer corner, just like so. Just like so. So yes, I think I'm satisfied with the way it looks like right now. If you want extra sharp edge, you can use your concealer brush, which is your brush, the one you use to clean your brow bone. You can always go ahead and clean it up a little bit. Do not apply any concealer on your brush. If not, it's going to mess under your eye because my face is already big, very sharp. I didn't expect it to come out that sharp. Anyways, I'm going to do the other eye off camera and I'll be right back.